Kung ang Philippine Coast Guard takot pang lumaban, ibahin mo ang sundalo ng Philippine Navy. 3 barko ng China ang nakita sa Ayungin Shoal. Pinalayas at itinaboy ito. Kung ganito lang sana ang aksyon, edi wala sana tayong problema ngayon. Kaso hindi natin masisisi ang Philippine Coast Guard. Hindi sila armado ng armas at hindi sila otorisadong may pag-away sa China. Oo, napalayas nga ng Philippine Navy. Pero kulang pa rin to, di ba? Kung tatanungin natin ang Philippine Coast Guard bakit hindi sila pumapalag, sabi ni Commodore J. Tariela, water cannon lang naman. Hanggat maaari raw ayaw ng Pilipinas mapikon. Dahil pag tayo napikon, tayo ang lugi. Armado ang China, tayo hindi.
Are we really prepared? Are we really prepared? Secondly, what do you mean with letali? Mag-water cannon din? Ang tanong ko kasi lagi kapag sinasabing, ba't di kayo mag-water cannon? Ano ang strategic value ng pag-water cannon? Makikipagbasaan ng tubig? Or are we also going to increase the PSI of the water cannon of the Philippine Coast Guard vessel to also fatally hurt them as well? Is that our game plan here kung yan ang gagawin natin? Obviously not, right? That's why I've always been mentioning the guidance of the Commander-in-Chief, the President of the Philippines, is to make sure we're going to deal with them professionally. We should not allow our temper. Minsan, ang sinasabi ko nga ang akala yata ng ordinaryong Pilipino, kasi alam naman natin, ang emosyon ng Pilipino, galit na rin sila sa nangyayari na to. You can just imagine how much anger din ang nakakamdaman ng mga tao ng Coast Guard na nandun mismo dahil sila mismo nakaka-experience. But again, we're just complying with the guidance of the President. We should not be the reason of escalating tension. We should deal with them professionally.
Paulit-ulit na ang water cannon ng China. Nakakasawa ano. Tapos wala pa ring aksyon ang Philippine Coast Guard. Pero ang totoo niyan, hanggang dyan lang ang kaya ng China. Bakit? Kasi nababahala pa rin ang mga Chinese gumamit ng armed attack. Takot ang China pag umaksyon na ang US sa pangyayari. Hanggat walang balang pinuputok ang China, walang mutual defense na idideklara.
We go back again to the definition of armed attack. Para sa atin, this is still not an armed attack because this remains to be the same. Ang difference lang naman mula noon hanggang ngayon, ano bang bago? Water cannon. Water cannon pa rin naman ang ginagamit ng China. The only difference perhaps, they are increasing the PSI, the pressure of the water. But as far as the Coast Guard is concerned, this is still not an armed attack.
Kung nagsasawa na kayo sa water cannon ng China, ang Philippine Coast Guard hindi. Sasaluhin lahat ng PCG ang water cannon, maigit lang ang karapatan ng bawat Pilipinong mangingisda. Sisihin man natin sila ng paulit-ulit, pero handa raw nilang protektahan ng ating Pilipino fisherman kahit buhay pa ang kapalit.
The reason why the Philippine government is doing the rotational deployment is to ensure the security and safety of the Filipino fishermen and also to encourage the Filipino fishermen in once again going back to Bao de Masinloc at doon pa uli sila mangisda. So I don't see any reason that it would frighten the Filipino fishermen. Again, despite of all the provocation of the Chinese Coast Guard, our Coast Guard vessel and BFAR remains to be there. This goes to show that we're not going to be deterred. Our Philippine Maritime Forces, whether BFAR or Coast Guard, will still carry out our mission in protecting the interests of the Filipino fishermen.
Kayo, sa tingin nyo, tama kayang hindi pumalag ang Philippine Coast Guard dito? O panahon na para lumaban tayo? Ikomento sa baba ang iyong saloobin.